Hello everyone. Thought I'd show you what I do in the wintertime, or what I thought of. That's the dog. What are you doing? Oh boy. But anyway, this is obviously a grow tent. It is a 5x9 by about 6 foot tall, I think. Maybe 6'6". But I set this up in my back room in my house, so that way this winter I don't freeze doing things. But let me walk around. But basically, I just got a few things in here, some epoxy stuff that I can do in here. But the main thing I did this for was this 1-inch belt sander. And that's a vanity for a bathroom vanity. And I put it on wheels. And then you can see where the plumbing used to go through. Put an exhaust on there, actually technically vacuum port. There was a drawer in it, so what I did was I took the drawer out of it, sealed this and glued it, and then underneath sealed all that, put a plywood base under it, and then sealed it. So basically, and this is storage too, so basically it is a box in here. And then I put pegboard, cut it out, the countertop, whatever it was, cut it out, put the pegboard in there. So now I have a vacuum, called a downdraft table, kind of like a hockey table, if you want to say. But, hey, damn, she don't like it when I'm in here. That scared me. But anyway, this has an exhaust that goes outside. Which, speaking of outside, I got a window in here too, so I can see the backyard. So I can kind of cool, so I don't feel claustrophobic, I guess, in here. But there's a 6-inch exhaust. This is 4-inch, and also have another port here. Oh great! Now the cat's climbing up the side of it. So that hooks up to the soffit outside of the house that runs over. And there's another tent next to this one, same size, but that's where I do my flint knapping. So basically I got a little switch here. Turns it on. And then that runs to there. And then there's a gate right here that I turn on. And then basically the vacuum goes all through these holes. I could feel it, the air going around my hand. But when this is running, it's not throwing any dust, so pretty cool. And it keeps it in here. And then I also, where the little dust ports are, I cut holes and put them in there, but these can come out easily. And if you want to take this off, because I won't have the sander on there. This is, by the way, what it looks like coming off of this. This looks like when it comes off the big 12.5-inch sander when I shape it. So this is gonna save me from a lot of hand sanding. And then also I have my stuff for lead, my lead melter, and also the hot plate to pour the caps. So that can be set on this downdraft table too. And then the fumes will go down. And then also, if I want to, this comes down, comes off, and I can put connections. And I only have one fan on right now. I have another fan that is down the line, that is right at where it goes out the side of the room. So I technically have two fans. It's just one running right now. But with two of them, it would start sucking the walls in on these on the sides. And then I got all the hand pads there. These are ready to be sanded. These still need to be shaped. Got the metal, and the best thing is this metal cutter it's a shear, and that way I can cut the slots metal for the slots in the hand pads. In the past, what I done is cut them with right here. Every one of these cut with that, and it curls the edges. This still got a little curve to it. Got to beat it down, but this curved every damn edge. So I had to beat them down flat with that thing there. Oh man, it's like butter. And I'm gonna make a table too, so that way I can feed. Say this is a long sheet, this wide, but it's a long sheet. I'm gonna make a table, and that way at the degree of what this is, so the shear comes down, cuts it. All I gotta do is flip this, which would be the whole sheet. Boom, flip it, cut again. Boom, flip it, cut again. Boom, flip it, cut again. So I'll make me a little jig for that. Make it easier, but yeah, this is it. Got me a little power supply there. But it's 5x9, and if you want to do anything indoors in your house, underneath this is the padding that you use under your laminate flooring. So there's padding under that, and then I put the a remnant of just linoleum, and it has a little bit of padding on that too. But I got me a nice little work table, and got all the copper caps. I can't believe it. The cat is coming up the sides of this. Oh, she's up there. Kitty. Oh. What are you doing? Oh. Oh, this is going to be fun. She's going to love this. Oh. Yeah. Oh, the cat. Kitty. Oh, jeez. No holes. Please. Oh, Lord. Okie dokie. But that's it. Nice day out there today. Get you guys a little view out back. Maybe we'll see a deer. Oh, the leaves are gone. Winter is here. Speaking of leaves, I got some more raking to do. But yep, that's it, fellas. And these things, they're not expensive. You can set this up in a room, but the problem you're gonna face is, where is the exhaust going to go? So if you don't have something handy to go outside, you can make a collection box for dust, but fumes, forget it. But you can make it work inside with a collection box with a filter that filters the air, secondary. But that's it. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving also. Catch y'all later.